Good morning, sir.
How are you? Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
66.
66.
Completed.
Thank you. Shall we start with the How is Mr. Irfan?
Fine, he's fine. You see, there are lot many wild boars have entered the area.
Sir, we are not able to see any wild boars on
We
our
have
side.
seen on our side. We have seen a lot of. Yes, why not?
Information.
So, okay, from our side then, आगे देखिए. So this is a token from our side
Thank you, sir.
on
So
the
nice of you, sir.
Republic Day. So best of luck and best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Wish you best of luck.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir.